How to make any app run automatically at startup in Windows 11. That is exactly what we're going to do in this video. But first, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video. It helps a lot. And let's get started. So first of all, open the start menu and click on all apps. And in order to make the app open automatically at startup, we have to find an option that's called open file location when right click on the app. So let's right click here. As you can see, there is no open file location to options. So let's scroll down and search for another app. Let's right click, for example, on Steam, right click on it, and as you can see, there is open file location. Click on it, and right here we're going to click on Windows plus R, and after run opens up, right, shell startup. Then you have to go again to the folder that we opened before, right click on it, copy, and then paste it at the startup. Now it's gonna open automatically once we run Windows again.
That's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment any suggestion or question on the video. Have a nice day.